All right, so in this lesson, we are going to create a table of solutions. So create a table of solutions given the slope-intercept form. So we're going to be given slope-intercept form of a linear function. Oh, I could do a little better than that. Linear function. So example number 1 is y equals 3 over 2x plus 1. So the first thing we need to do is label the y-intercept and the slope. So here is our slope, and here is our y-intercept. So our y-intercept is, which is b. Remember we have, let me write this down here. Remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx. I'll write it slightly different. Y equals mx, and then plus b, where b is the y-intercept, which you can think of as our starting solution, and our m is our slope. So we start at 0, 1. We start at 0, 1. 0, 1. And we have a rate of change. We have a slope, a change in y over a change in x of, well, first it's m, and it is 3 over 2. So that means positive 3 over positive 2. So plus 3 plus 2. So it goes up 3, which makes it 4, and up 2, which makes it 2. And when we go up 2 again, it increases by 3 again. So we get 7. But this time, we're still going up by 2, so we go up again by 2, and we go up by 3. We increase by 3. So you can write it a couple times if you can see it. And then again, so it's 2 and then 3, so this is 13. Let me write that 10 a little better. And 13. Another way of writing that is 3 over 2, which is 1, or 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. Now, we are going to prove that these solutions go with this equation. I'm going to choose one, 4, 7. Well, you know what I will do? I'll do this. I'm going to relabel these. So this, 4, 7, 10, 13. Okay, so I'm going to use 4, 7. Okay, and it should make the equation true. So I will write, I guess, my original equation. Let's see if I can do it like this. mx plus b. Okay. Oh, I know why it's weird. That should be 3 over 2. And then that should be plus b, which is plus 1. Plus 1. And the x should be, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make it easier for going forward. Equals 3 over 2 plus 1, and then I will use yellow for the point. So the x and the y. All right, sorry about that roundabout way. So y equals 3 over 2x plus 1. Y equals 3 over 2x plus 1. Now I'm going to put the x. So we'll substitute 4 in for x and 7 in for y. Don't know why that took forever, but we figured it out. and then plus 1. So 7 equals 3 times 4 is 12. 12 over 2 is 6. And 7 does, in fact, equal 7. That is a solution. Now, this wants us to think of like a non-solution. So I'm going to think of something that doesn't like work. So 4 and 7 go together. What if I do something like 8 and 7? So 8 and 7. So let's see, I'm going to write my equation again. Y equals, oh, I know y, okay. Y equals, and then x, and then I'm going to use green here. So y equals 3 over 2, kind of squashed. I'm going to write the green first. 3 over 2, and then plus 1. And the x in this case will be 8. And the y will be 7. Okay, so right here, let's do the math. Oh, I know where I would have changed something before, but 3 times 2 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 12 plus 1 should equal 7. But as you know, 12 plus 1 is 13. So I'm going to back up in a moment. So 7 does not actually equal 13. So 4, 7 was a solution, 4, 7. So it should make it true. 8, 7 was not. It should have been 8, 13. So when I plugged 8, 7 into our equation, it came out false. Now, I'm actually going to show you something else that will be helpful. So y equals 3 over 2x plus 1. I want you to go to Desmos. Okay, so we have Desmos right here. And we're going to the graphing calculator. And I need to remember my equation. Y equals 3 over 2x plus 1. So y equals, let me pull this a little bit more this way. 3 over 2x plus 1. First thing that you will notice is that you can see the line. If you want to zoom in or out, like, that's fine. One thing I like to do is change to count by ones, but you don't have to do any of this, okay? So you need to zoom in and out. Now, if you go here, the whole point is you type in this equation and you click this. So I'm going to go back. You click this little cog where it says edit list. And then you go where it says convert to table. And it will take your equation and create solutions based off of it. So I'm going to check my solutions to make sure they're right. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. I like to just delete these first. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it goes 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. All right, so I did something right. So let's go to the next one, example number 2.